Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss why green buildings are too costly, and there are some reasons, and we will look through these reasons and examples in today's session. So what is green building itself? Integrative process that focuses on the relationship between built environment and natural environment. So they are the green buildings. And why green buildings? Buildings can have both positive and negative impacts on their surroundings as well as the people who inhabit them every day. And what are the aims of green building? In order to reduce energy and water use and healthy environment quality and smart material selection and to reduce building effects on the site. So green buildings are important for these reasons. When we talk about or read about green buildings, we will face to this abbreviation LEED. What is that? Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It's a green building certification program, and it promotes better buildings, places a complement on the environment, and better, bright, healthier spaces to live, work, and play. Decision-making framework for project teams during the life cycle of a building, which includes planning, design, construction, and operations. So, in order to build green buildings, constructors or architects need this certification. Lead globally at a glance. 140 countries and territories. 10.4 billion certified commercial, and it is administered by the U.S. Green Building Council. In the Achieving LEED certification, projects pursues credits that earn points. Prerequisites and credits differ for each rating system. And qualifications for professions, you can see LEED Green Associate and LEED AP, and it's the certification of LEED. And we will look through LEED certification rating systems, building design and construction, interior design and construction, and building operations and maintenance, and neighborhood development and homes. So this certification includes this system. In the slide, you can see the illustration of green building practices. You can see the home green building, and there are green roof, renewable energy, daylighting, acoustics, thermal comfort, green cleaning, mold prevention, joint use facility, recycling, composting, and transit options, and water efficiency. So it is not a very easy process, and in order to build this kind of complex green buildings, the constructors, the architects need to gain the LEED certification. So they have to gain good knowledge at first, and then show their projects, and then they will the competition, and then they will start building their green buildings. And specific strategies for hotel, for example, areas interior, and for this there are some strategies. Interior includes lighting, air conditioning, and heating, intelligent control systems that monitor the presence of guests in the room together with their preferences and patterns. And then fewer furniture pieces, carpet tiles, like so only a few tiles need to be replaced instead of entire carpet. In the event of damage, green label plus carpets and materials selected for durability. And operation, for example, they can be fresh air and clean drinking water, green products and services. Operational coordination with guests, for example, reusing towels and bedding for a multi-night stay, clear standards for operations and housekeeping, and recycling programs. These areas or this interior and operation for building green hotels. The case study, Proximity Hotel, 147-room hotel that includes a restaurant and 5,000 square feet of conference, meeting, and event facilities, opened in early November 2007. To achieve their goals of green building, luxury, and long-term economic viability, the project team implemented over 70 green building practices. And there are strategies toward LEED certification. Goals, owner and facilitator, CO, lead up. And first goal, sustainability and collaborative, iterative processes. In the sustainability, then construction team waiver, project manager, lead up, initial cost premiums, and then hotel management, general manager of the hotel and the hotel operations, and engineering team, and they are superior, CEO of the firm, energy saving strategies, energy modeling, and design team center point. Principal architect, different design options, material selection. So all of these strategies are very important in order to build green buildings and in order to get LEED certification for buildings. And there are strategies to attaining green building certification: size strategies, water-related strategies, energy-related strategies, materials-related strategies. If you have this kind of strategies, you can gain, you can get the certificate, and you have to show your strategies to the judges, and they will examine your strategies. They will look through the cost and other parts of your project, and they will decide to give or not the certification for your project. In the slide, you can see the sustainability practice in case studies, and all of the design, interior design, and other operations are considered in this case study. For example, in exterior wall, roof construction, floor slab, exterior wall, roof construction, fenestration type, in the shading devices, interior lighting power density, the lighting, exterior lighting power, primary system, in the natural ventilation, economizer control, and solar panels. All of the important points in sustainability are involved in this case study. And sustainability strategies include outer air delivery monitoring system, and allow for occupant controllability, lighting designed for thermal comfort, designed to preserve views, and construction strategies, commissioning construction, waste management construction, IAQ management and operational strategies, green power purchase, green accredited tradable renewable certificates equivalent to some portion of energy usage, and provide increased ventilation. And you can see there are some target outcomes like promote occupant comfort and well-being by controlling pollutants, and promote occupant satisfaction, comfort and well-being, promote occupant satisfaction, comfort and well-being, promote occupant satisfaction, comfort and well-being through providing direct access to views of outdoors from critical visual task areas. And you can see other target outcomes like improve indoor air quality and promote occupant and installer well-being, and reduce negative impacts of electricity generation from fossil fuels in the others. The certification, it can be training and certification for architects, constructors, and interior designers, and update of building codes to encourage use of green energy practices in proper cost modeling of strategies to be implemented, and cost-effective cost saving is over life cycle of building an interactive approach. So LEED certification includes these parts, these statements. Coming to the conclusion, pathway to LEED certification. To increase awareness of green building strategies, training of professionals and certification, establishment of a green building council as has been done in various parts of the world, and updating of building codes to encourage adoption of green building practices, for example, increase rainwater harvesting, and holistic approach to the design and construction of buildings with assessment done over the lifetime of a building. So as you see, the reasons, the examples, the case study can show you why green buildings are too costly, and getting the LEED certification is not a very easy process. That's why this certification, these buildings are costly, and they require constructors to have very good knowledge and to show the very good project in order to get this certification. Thanks for your attention, and it's the end of our today's session.